Hey, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good. So, Today I will show you 72-hour challenge, or you can call it 3-day business challenge. I will personally experience this, and I will show you how you can, how everybody 9 to 5 job haters who are in the 9 to 5 job, or who are student, anybody who want to join, who want to start affiliate marketing. This is basic course, or you can say basic challenge. Will that This is a challenge of Jonathan that claims that he will set up your all the business in just 3 days. Mean your all business is set up in just 3 days. How? I will show you. 72-hour challenge review. It's a Jonathan. Who is Jonathan? It's Jonathan course. Uh, it's Jonathan product, affiliate product. Jonathan is $1 million affiliate marketer who launched many high ticket products, low ticket products. 72-hour challenge is 3-day business challenge, which claimed that in which Jonathan claimed that he will set up your all the business in just 3 days. Super cool. He introduced its law ticket program in which he gave basic idea about how affiliate marketing works. Give basic information in 3 days. I will also show you 3 days. In first day, what will happen? In second day, what will happen? And in third day, what will you have to do? It is easiest way to start affiliate marketing to make your $1,000 in affiliate marketing if you work consistently, if you work with right strategies, if you work with right mentorship or with right strategies, you will definitely earn $1,000. So, this affiliate program is for these types of people, like 9 to 5 job people who want to start or some online business, student who want to start and learn affiliate marketing from scratch, people who want work as a part time with their studies and jobs, females who are at home want to start online business from home, people who are ready to work, not those people who want quick money. It's not quick rich scheme. You have to be work. It's a performance based work. You have to be work if you want to earn. If you did not do any work, then it will not give you any money unless you work on automation. So Jonathan Montoya is the challenge creator. He is the owner of the program, a thriving online business owner who worked as a electrical engineer in past. He is now living his life and quit their job and attaining their financial freedom because of this 3-day business challenge. And there is upgrade as well, high ticket as well, who gives you more than $1,000 commission. Just one single sale. A 72-hour challenge is a part of the course and covers everything you need to get started on the path to creating an online business through affiliate marketing. When you start, you need some tools, you need some uh, guidance, you need some system. Jonathan, in this program, Jonathan gives you all their system, all their tools free of cost to you. You can also promote 15 plus products free of cost. And they will also give you basic idea about how affiliate marketing works. But it's only for beginners. If your income goal is $10,000, then this product is not for you because you have to work on high ticket product that give you $1,000 just one single sale. Then 10 sales can give you your $10,000 goal. But if your goal is to $1,000 or $500, then this product will help you in achieving your goal. So day one, In day one roadmap, or give basic information what is affiliate marketing, how you can select niche. This is the lecture that Jonathan have covered in their day one. They will give you, he will give you a roadmap or basic information about affiliate marketing, or how you can select your niche. In day two, complete training on how we can build funnel or promote 15 plus products in just one click. Mean if you have no any product, then this program also give you 15 plus products free of cost, and you can also promote this challenge itself. This 3 day challenge you can also promote itself, and you will earn 40% commission per sale. So it's about all about traffic source and platform, how you can, and in day three, it's all about traffic and platforms. Which platform do you use for your business? But the main step is day two, in which you build your own business in just one click, or you say click by click. Um, in just day two is more important, because in this day two, Jonathan have provided checklists or all the links that you will use in your system. Next is, it's not detailed training, just give basic idea, because it's Jonathan Launch Kit program. Complete A to Z information is provided in their high ticket program, Freedom Accelerator. Uh, Pros of 72-hour challenge. Like, what is the benefit of 72-hour challenge? A big pro with the challenge is that it's simple and easy to follow. Just drag and drop and click by clicks to start your online business. It is designed to complete it in only 3 days. Like if you work on day one, day two, and day three, you will set up your own business in just 3 days. And what is the disadvantage or cons of 72-hour challenge? Very basic idea. And funnel training is maybe confusing for those people who are not familiar to funnel, because funnel is a process in which uh, customer come to your link, and they will enter their email, or for lead magnet, for free thing and freebies, and they will get your offer later. So people will, mostly beginners are not aware about funnel, so they may be some they may find some problem in funnel training in day to training. But if they have right mentor, then this process will be going smoothly. Free bonuses from Jonathan Montoya. A white label course to use as your own. Uh, they will give you free white label course of I think 7 to 8 lectures. You can give to they will he will give you, and you can give to your customer as well. Include my exact product sites, follow-up emails that made me 7 figures in just a few minutes. Like Jonathan, who created all the systems, emails, products, sites, he will give you free of cost. Like you can use it in your business. Within that, for us, there are 15 plus programs you can promote at once. Like you can promote their tools or trainings or programs free of cost. 15 plus products. Traffic methods to get unlimited customers. The traffic roadmap to unlock unlimited customers through your offers. You can also use as free of cost. These are three bonuses that Johnson give you. And free bonuses from my side if you purchase this from my link. One-to-one coaching call to set up your funnel with you. If you purchase this from me, then I will help you in day two, which is most complicated, which is someone find problems. I will help you in creating your funnel, in building your business. If you stuck with any in 3 days, I will help you in building your funnel, or I will help you in 3 days. That how if you find any problem in just 3 days, I will help you one to one on in set up your funnel. My extra free training on selecting niche to finding products and promoting it. I have so many trainings on how to find products, how to find your niche, and how to find what platform and how you promote it. I will give you free of cost by all the trainings that I have did. I will give you free of cost. My extra Facebook organic method to close more sales blueprint from my side. What will happen? I will give you my extra scripts or I will also give you extra organic methods, organic strategies that will help you in closing more sales. These all the three things that I will give you. You just have to implement. So here is the. I will show you. Here is the official group of 72 hour challenge community, and so many people out there making results, like official community for freedom accelerator. He's the Jonathan, and this course is created by Jonathan, and so many people have changed their lives. So many students have joined this program and are are making commissions, like if I go to this, then it is the community of 72 hour challenge freedom, and 2.9K members. I will also show you how many people are getting results. Yeah, I also made a sale. I also made a sales of. I also made a lot ticket sale. This is my post. So many people are getting results like this one. This person have earning $388, 40% commission. This is the first sale that people are earning because it's low ticket program. It's not for making $10,000, $20,000. If you have high goals, then you have to work on high ticket products. Uh, this two customer $19, and minimum withdraw limit is $50. You can withdraw $50, and payout method is PayPal. Use this program have payout method PayPal, and these all are the informations that nobody will give you. Like so many results out there, like this person have no any results, zero dashboard. This person have received $4.5, and this program price is $9, and you will get commission $4.5 per sale. So many people out there making results. These are our newbies, not experts. These are our newbies results, and if you if I will show you high results, then yeah, there is many people who invest in their high ticket program and getting massive results. So here is my group link, and you can also join my free community to learn more about it, to learn more about affiliate marketing. You can also join my private Facebook group, in which I will support you or share you free things that can help you in building your business. It's uh, Here is my link in my bio. And here is my funnel. This is actually funnel. When people when people get in free course, then they will then they will go to my sale page. Here is you can start online business with just $9, and you can grab my free ebook for beginners who want to start affiliate marketing. You can grab it here, or you can also join my free Facebook group here. And this link in my bio, this link is placed in my bio. So you can also easily reach out to this link, and you can easily start your journey. Here is my Facebook group. Recently, I got 100 members. So you can also join my free Facebook group. Here is, I removed so many members because he is not my target audience. And this is my affiliate success master. This is my Facebook group, free Facebook group, private Facebook group, and this is my profile. You can visit for so many. You can reach out to me or simply DM me if you want to start your journey with the 72-hour challenge. If you want to start your journey with the if you want to start your journey with affiliate marketing, you can simply reach out to me, or you can join my free Facebook community. Uh, Let me clear again, free bonuses from my side, one-to-one coaching call to set up your funnel with you. My extra free trainings on selecting niche to find the product, promoting it, how you will promote it. My blueprint for Facebook organic method, how you will get traffic to your affiliate link. This is all the three trainings or bonuses that I will give you. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.